Let's go, Lumi. GG! Holy fuck! Let's go! No!
What is this?
I have the worst thing ever.
You've lost, bro. There's no chance.
Yo. Exactly, bro. Like, this guy just gets a bingo and then it's over because he has like a 70-point lead.
Sterling's,
like,
oh my god.
Sterling's, bro.
Juke.
Bro, bingos are like so hard to like find. Yo. Wait, I'm like 60 points.
Scytheisel said, just pray for a miracle, bro.
Yes, bro. Wait, oh my god. Wait.
Wait,
It's
what?
taking random turns and it's working.
Bro, I swear.
Ooh.
Yo.
It gives him the triple word though.
No. Yeah.
Then Sun opens up the triple land.
If you add the S, it just makes it worse.
Genius.
No, do not add the S.
Yeah. I wouldn't.
If you add the S, he's just gonna like do some crazy ass. Oh, we have high rises now.
Wait, you're only at high res? I'm correct.
I don't know. It's going so slow. Like these party. I didn't realize the party was so slow.
Wait, oh my god.
If you have good
Oh my god. I have
I
it.
guess you just don't have a good play.
How did I get 3? I got back to 317. I'm on like a
Holy.
20, bro. I'm on like a 20,
Players
like,
discuss game challenges and coordinate
like
their
a-
positions
like,
while
bro,
facing
I'm on
a
like a
boss encounter.
35. Oh, of course, bro. Bro, of course. Is there any? No.
Scytheisel said, just cheat next round, Sun.
Bro, it's like
what
so
type of-
over, bro.
Why would you cheat? Like why? cheating in Scrabble's easy, but like, why would you ever want to do
Reward
that?
only gave
Oh,
points.
last tile was placed, bro. Like GG's. Bro, you look at that, bro.
It's also
Top
easy
word
to cheat in
line for
chess,
30.
but like, what's the point? You know what I mean?
Sterling 68 points. Like, what is this?
Unfortunate.
Well, at least I got like 326 though. I mean, that's
I
good.
mean, this is kind of RNG.
Bro, chicken, if it hadn't,
Potten 2010 said 80 seconds left.
bro, if it hadn't been his Sterling's bingo, I would have won too.
Damn.
Okay, but like tomorrow I still have like time to like practice before the tournament. So like I'm just
Like an
spending all
in-person
my
tournament,
time.
right?
Yeah. Not online.
Scythe Isel said, Yo Potten or AJ, when round 70 ends, you'll wanna grind decloids.
And then like
I'm back.
Potten 2010 said,
all the goats
loudly
back.
crying.
hey, so like I'm gonna
Ah,
go to like the crossword tournament by like school bus or something. Like they
35
organized it for us
seconds.
already. And it's gonna be like 5 hours to get
Wait,
to the
Chicken
Damn.
Senior said,
Are you talking about your
Nosastra.
exam?
No, I'm talking about my like Scrabble that I'm gonna attend like
Yeah, that's what
tomorrow. Yeah.
I meant. Scrabble. Like, what is that?
What the hell? No. I heard that correctly, right?
Just explain to me what it is.
No, bro. I don't actually. That makes
Potten
sense.
2010 said done.
I've heard of it before. I'm just making. I don't know if I'm thinking of it.
You make words on a board with letters. It's aura, bro.
Oh. Wait, I'm about to beat
AJ
this
said
random,
you.
like, terrifying requirement called Toxic.
You're about to beat that?
Yeah, I'm
You're
just gonna
fried.
grind it. I'm just gonna like play it right now and see if I can beat it. Like,
Okay, so is this just
Okay, you're ultra
wants-
fried, by the way. But alright.
what? Is it hard?
this is just
Yeah, it's
I
hard.
just-
And it involves some weird ass gameplay.
Proto hopped on 10-10.
What are those noises? Oh,
It's 10.
Potten
Apparently it's
2010
horrifying.
said, Bro on
Apparently it has
1010
traps in it.
loudly crying.
Bro, I just placed the worst fucking piece in this entire world. Like, why did I even do that? Wait, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, chicken, help me out, bro.
Okay, wow.
the fuck
I
is this
tried to play
gameplay?
10-10 and I got like 25k and I fucked it up.
Yo, put the piece there, bro.
Yeah, it's 250k actually that hard.
It's
It's like-
actually so much harder than it seems. I don't know why.
It is.
It's like
The
25
game is
hours
actually
of,
hard,
like,
even though it's just block blast.
nerfed block blast.
Big hands, man, again.
Scythe Isel
Fuck.
said, Hop off, bro.
Bro, I can't, bro. Bro, I gotta flex this. I gotta flex my high score.
This game scarred me for life.
310k. I got
Proto, let me send you
Go to
something.
Let me see. Bro, you would be surprised that Encosti actually has this too.
And Posty, ain't they like washed now?
Just
washed.
watch. And also,
And
apparently,
then when they beat
Magnum
Pizza Man, I was like,
86.
wow, that's crazy.
Yeah,
And
so
now it's
was
like,
I.
bro.
And then they took like
Hey.
50 hours, yeah.
Hey, chicken. Do you know Magnum 86?
Who?
An image
Magnum
file.
86.
Is that a Scrabble player?
No, Magnum 86, bro. It's like, you know the Baseplate project?
Yes.
It's Mags from
Yeah.
TBP.
Yeah. It's Max from TBP.
I don't really play it. I don't really know that much.
I honestly don't even know that he played UHBL too. Yo, what is TS? wait, why is there a guy in our server called Tiki? Like Tiki Font? Hey, yo.
He knows. Oh my god.
He's leaked the server.
Shush.
Wait, what's happening?
It's like secret agency undercover stuff.
Yeah.
Right, I think it's time I play Factory Man. It's time to play Factory Man.
Alright, I'm gonna go to sleep.
Alright, good night. Whoa,
Good night.
that's kind of diddy. Hey yo. I'm not gay.
Factory Man. Factory Man. Factory Man.
Boy, you can't say that. That's the F word.
It's a Factory Man, bitch.
Factory Man. We messed up the tech, bro. Ain't no way.
Scythe Isel said it's coming for you,
did
bro.
master
Stop
the bro.
tabbing out. Cotton 2010 said it's over for me and Bev. GG. Scythe Isel said GG.
How hard is it?
AJ said keeping running. Scythe Isel said Cotton, you're lucky he didn't say N-words, bro. Cotton 2010 said what? This is pretty chill, bro.
I just need to see it, Bob. I just need to see it, Bob. I didn't hold it on. Please,
Well, now,
Get back on Pizza Man.
please. Oh my will. Don't
he's
worry.
tickling me.
Wait, I just need to see it.
Ah.
GG! GG! Yeah! Yeah!
Yo,
Yo,
don't
I'm
die.
really
Yo.
Psych Isel said, son.
Fuck this game!